At the beginning of the pandemic, together we reminded ourselves that this is why we signed up for this. It wasn't all sunny days and rainbows. It wasn't all, this is part of our calling. And that's what I talked about before a little bit, is that calling. This is part of who we are and what we do.
He's been so important as we bring donors in, as an advocate for the work of the hospital, being able to explain in layman terms what's really so important going on in the hospital, connecting with donors, and really inspiring people to feel good about their philanthropy around Royal Columbian Hospital.
I really learned from him how to be calm in the face of a lot of uncertainty, and how to still go forward and advocate for the site, for patients, but also the balance between all the competing factors. I think that you see how someone performs at times of stress. When things are going well, everyone's doing well. And what I would say is I was really amazed by how Steve could keep calm and gather all the information, delegate appropriately, stand his ground on certain issues, and carry us through this very difficult time.
As he stepped into the position of site medical director, he always still managed to find time for the foundation and the work we were doing, and making sure that our goals as we try to support the Columbian were always forefront. And we can never thank him enough for that. We saw some of our most successful fundraising years ever in the history of our organization during his time when he's in that important leadership position, and that was not by accident. That was thanks in part to him stepping forward and being such a huge advocate for philanthropy around the hospital.
The foundation has done a remarkable job as well of helping us to reflect back on ourselves in such a way that's authentic and reasonable, because there's a huge risk of folks that are sort of working on the front line to reject a message that's inauthentic about themselves. And I think what the foundation has done remarkably well is captured how people see themselves, and what their calling is, and to reflect it back in a classy way that people can identify with.
Royal Columbian Hospital Foundation is pleased to recognize Dr. Steve Reynolds as a champion of philanthropy.